Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Let's go. So recap from last week. Last week what we talked about was we had a cross on the monthly chart on the MACD. And usually when we have a cross on the MACD, Bitcoin is on a downtrend. And since it's on the monthly chart, it's on a downtrend for a while. All right. And no one's really talking about this. Everyone's saying to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. So just watch out. And I could be wrong. I just, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So that's a recap from last week. Today, what I wanted to look at was the weekly chart. Okay, so on the weekly chart, on this particular chart, we can confirm that the trend is downwards. We highlighted the MACD cross down. We highlighted it cross down so we can look at the past to see what happened in the past. So in April 21, we noticed price went down. November 21, price went down. However, I highlighted when the blue starts to curve up, price goes up. So this could be a play. I'm not going to play it, but price could, if this blue kind of curves up a little bit more, price could head up. And if it goes up, I could see it maybe touching 47, 50K, around that range. Okay, now it's time for the indicators. Okay, so looking at this chart, what I ended up doing was I pulled out the stochastic RSI, which I talked about in one of my past videos. Once the blue crosses over the orange and it goes above the 20, prices goes up. Okay, so last week we had a lot of sell pressure. Okay, and this week is a new week, so we started off today and we can see we had a lot of sell pressure today. However, today was the Super Bowl and we had a lot of crypto commercials. Not a lot, but we had a crypto commercial, so that could be bullish but we don't know. So other than that, what I wanted to look at today was, let's look at the past and see what happened. So I drew a trend line right here, and we can see we almost peaked out above that 20, but look what happened. Look what happened during this time, this range. During this peak out, price kind of, during the weekly, didn't drop for real, but we had a spike up to like 62K, and then we dropped, came back up, then dropped again. So I know this is kind of a weird call I'm calling right now, but I could see us maybe pumping to like maybe 50K, get a little double top around this range. And I could be wrong. There's nothing wrong with being wrong, but depending on the news, could be a fake out. But if there's not a fake out, I still see price, still dropping a little bit. And just to call this here, I'm going to say that price must hold 28K. If we do not hold 28K, I could see this dropping to about maybe 19K. All right, that's my analysis for February 13th. If you watch this video, have a great Valentine's Day tomorrow, and I'll be right here next Sunday. Rare Crypto, Lego. Financial freedom, rare crypto.